fashion girlies, it is time to tap in. You already know what time of year it is. It's our favorite time of the year, Black Friday sales. So why not take your hard-earned black dollars and shop black? I am unboxing a pair of boots that I got from one of my favorite black designers, which is Brandon Blackwood. Brandon Blackwood is doing Black Friday right, okay? We're not talking about those little 5%, 10% off sales. No, we are talking about some significant savings, and you better run, don't walk, because the stuff is not going to last. I'll be surprised if they still have anything left by the end of this Black Friday sale. But I want to go ahead and unbox these boots with you because I am so in love with these boots, and I'm so glad I was able to get my hands on them in my size. Okay, so these are the Ani boots. I think Ani or Ani boots, but I originally got them in a size 43 because on the website they do suggest that you go a whole size up. So normally I would be a 42, which is a US size 11, but when I got them they were still a little too snug for me, so I ended up returning them. But luckily I did, because then the Black Friday sale came around. Originally they were like $325. Returned them because they didn't fit right. But then Black Friday sale rolls around and they're now $65. That's what I'm talking about. That's Black Friday. That's the Black Friday we remember. Now look at this boot. Look at it. Look at the craftsmanship on this boot. Like, give us angles. Come on. And it is a square toe, so it doesn't pinch the toes and gives you plenty of wiggle room. But I just love, love, love the craftsmanship of this boot. Now, I did get the, I think this is a 44. So this time when I ordered them, I went up a whole size. Well, yeah, this time when I ordered them, I went up to a 44, and these fit perfectly. So I'm so excited to wear these. I tried to tell myself that I wasn't going to buy another burgundy item, but 65 from 325, couldn't pass this up. And I'm really on a mission to really convert my closet to black designers. So I'm more than happy to support, and this brand has not failed me yet. I have about three pairs of shoes from this brand now. Never lets me down. And look how they have the way that it's crafted right on the arch. You can tell it's crafted in such a way, I don't know if you're actually seeing that, but it's crafted in such a way that it doesn't fold in. You know how some boots over time, they start to get that little lean on the inside? The way this is constructed, it's really sturdy. It's really sturdy, so it'll prevent the leather from really sagging in over time. I love this boot. So now let's talk about how to style her. So this is what I got in mind. I'm thinking, actually, I can show you better than I can tell you. Okay, so quick outfit of the day featuring my Brandon Blackwood Ani Boots. I am keeping it very simple. This is an easy outfit that you could just throw on, run some errands, or it's a multi-purpose outfit really. So I want a plain white tee with some blue jeans, and I'm gonna throw on this faux fur bomber jacket that I got from ASOS. I really love this jacket because it reminds me of the same jacket from that's like $400 or $500. Right now, faux fur bomber jackets are in. So if you're looking for good quality faux fur jackets that are tall friendly, definitely hit up ASOS, my pride and joy. I love ASOS. I'm their #1 stan. The jeans are also from ASOS, and the reason why I love these jeans is because I love wearing them with boots, because with them having the split hem, it perfectly showcases the structure and the design of the boot. See how that works? Now for my bag, I'm going to go with my Kate Spade boxy bag in the color Way Merlot. Throw that on. I love how that perfectly matches with that. And then I'm just gonna go with some gold circle frames because I feel like we're kind of giving a little bit of a 70s vibe here. And that is it.
Of course I be pushing they buttons. I hold up control like the gamers. Like that, keep it a stat. Bitches is ass if we keeping it crap. Bad little redhead, she bout the black. We come out, it's a movie, but we don't do that. Live from London, straight from the palace. Man, them a gallus, I touch us like Dallas. Keep it a bean, yo. He talk nice.